Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to illustrate a super good looking computer desk in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start off by drawing a rough sketch of the desk. Here, I am going to draw a computer screen, a study lamp, flower pot, sticky notes, coffee cup, notepad, and a simple clock. You don't really have to be perfect here, as we are going to illustrate these objects later in the software. Just make sure you position them well. After finishing the sketch, take a photograph and copy it into the software. Create a new document and set the height and width to 2000 pixels. I have set the color mode to RGB and raster effects to 150 ppi, that is pixels per inch. Double click the layer, name it as guide. Check the template box and click OK. It will set the opacity of the image to 50% so that you can illustrate the outlines more easily. Create a new layer, name it as outline, and start tracing the reference image by the outlines. I have used shape tools to draw the basic shapes like circle or rectangle, and pen tool to draw any simple lines or complex curves. By using the selection tool, you can resize the width and height of the selected object. With the direct selection tool, you can adjust the radius of the corners just by selecting an anchor point and dragging the inner circle as per your requirement. Also, you can even use the shape builder tool to create complex shapes more easily. After drawing the outlines, you can hide the guide layer. Then select all of the paths, go to Object and click Expand. Open the Pathfinder tool and click Merge to combine all of the paths into a single group. Remove any of the leftover white areas by using Direct Selection tool and delete. Create a new layer, name it as Color, and duplicate the outline layer into this color layer. Lock the outline layer and make sure that the color layer is below the outline layer. Select all of the paths and start to fill in the base colors with the Live Paint Bucket tool. After it's done, add highlights to the object by using the pen tool and curvature tool. As the source of the light is from the top left corner, we will add highlights to the left part of the objects. Highlights must be of a lighter shade than the base color. Do the same for shadows. Here, you will have to use a darker shade and shadows will be reflected on the bottom side of the objects. To give this illustration a finishing touch, add a decent background color behind the entire illustration. Good job! Now the illustration is complete and ready to be saved under any of your desired image formats such as PNG, JPG, etc. In this video, I have used the Material Color Palette, which has a complete collection of bright and attractive colors. It's totally free and you can download it from the link given in the description below. Also, you can download this illustration as a wallpaper for your phone or computer. The download link is given in the description below. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any queries in the comment box, and I'll see you in the next one.